How good are your English tenses? Do you ever feel that you're not quite sure which tense to use and not quite sure about the intricacies of each tense? Well, we have a free course to give you. I want to share with you one of our great e-courses on tenses. It's for intermediate and advanced speakers of English, but I'm going to give this to you free so that you can, first of all, enjoy the quality of NGC video materials. And as a complimentary gift to you, I'm going to create the videos for you myself. I want to show you the concepts behind all of these tenses. I want to take you into the more difficult areas of English. I'm going to back that up with solid grammar learning. And then we have activities, which are PDF and audio files together with an end of course test. And the idea is that you let us know how good you think this course is. Did you benefit? Did you get something good out of this course? So we have lots to offer. Please sign up and you're ready to go. All we need is your email and you're ready to start the course. And let us know how you feel. Sign up, follow us. We'd be happy to hear from you. So good luck. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye.